Welcome to MarineMax. My name is Perry. I'm part of the sales team here. We're going to go through this 2015 Sea Ray 510 Sundancer. This is a new trade for us that we just got in. So we'll do a quick walkthrough, and then you can scroll through the pictures below to get a little bit more detail. So right now, standing in the cockpit, you see large C-shaped seating. You've got a nice table here for when you're just lounging, sitting out, having some drinks at the dock. You'll see above me that we have a sure shade that extends pretty far out, and then of course this comes back and retracts when you're running. Behind me we have a submersible swim platform, as well as a couple lockers where you can fit all your lines and fenders for the day. All right, so here we are, we're in the Salon now. First thing you'll notice when you come into the boat, so these doors will open up halfway, and then they'll open up all the way over, recessed into the side pocket. So really, your cockpit comes into your salon's in your cockpit, and everyone feels integrated into the conversation. So we step in, you've got a large dining area here. This table does flip back, so really easy to get in and out of the boat. You've got a TV that tilts back and forth, so you can watch the game at any position in this boat, even from out here in the cockpit. One thing I really like is the Helm chair, and we'll show you that next. All right, so Helm chair. What I really like about this is, of course, when we're running the boat, obviously standard Helm chair faces forward, but when you're at dock, this guy flips around. You got your armrests here, opposing seating, so it adds another side of the boat that you can sit on and you could use functionally even when you're not running the boat. All right, so now we are at the business end of the boat where your captain's gonna sit. This boat is a Zeus powered boat, so it's a pod boat, so that means you've got your joystick, which makes docking a breeze, don't even have to worry about it anymore. Of course, you've got tilt steering wheel, twin Raymarine screens, you've got your vessel view screen right in the middle to give you all your engine data, all your rocker switches, VHF, twin cup holders, so you gotta have one for you and one for your co-captain. And again, it's just a nice seat. You got a bolster here, you've got flip down armrest, and you just hit autopilot and cruise out to wherever you're headed. All right, so a little different shot here, but I really want to accentuate in the 510 Sundancer the huge Atrium feel that you have. So no longer are you've got these stanchions here. All the natural light from your windshield just floods this area, and how could you not like this? All right, so here we are in the forward VIP. Something interesting about this bed, so electrically actuated, so it'll come up and down if you want to do some light reading or just kind of relaxing. It's a nice feature they have in this boat. Again, lots of storage. Left, right, you have hanging lockers, and then plenty of cubbies for your devices. All right, so here we go. This is the day head / VIP head. 2 entries, so you've got, if you're just using this head for the day, of course you can lock the VIP door, that's second entry, or again, you can lock the entry door and have it just as your private VIP head. Separate shower, stand-up shower, you have a nice basin there, lots of storage for all of your necessities for the bathroom. All right, so back in the atrium here, we've got a large L-shaped couch here that also pulls out into a bed at night if need be. Again, so you've got a large TV here, so if you're sitting down, watching the game here, perfect. You've got your power panel over there. Right behind you, you've got the galley. You've got a fridge, freezer, freshwater sink. Again, storage is the name of the game on this boat, as well as a Cuisinart microwave. And now we are in your aft master. This is a full beam master, so you have 2 port lights to let some more natural light in. Mirror throughout, so it gives you a little bit larger feel. You have your own head back here in the master stateroom, as well as a basin sink. Again, lots of storage. A step down, so you get a little bit more headroom back here. And a nice spot for the main guests of this 510 Dancer. All right, thanks for joining us on this quick walkthrough of this 2015 Sea Ray 510 Sundancer. If you'd like to see the boat in person, just come on down to the store or give us a call. Happy to show you the boat and hopefully see you on the water.